Hi friends, my name is Kanishka. Last time we read chapter 3, it is very big, and this chapter 4. Okay, so chapter 4, agriculture. We read this chapter 4. Okay, so question number 1, what is agriculture? The science and art of cultivation is soil, raising crops and rearing animals is called agriculture. Question number 2, name the factors influencing agriculture. The topography of the soil and the climate are the factors influencing the agriculture. What is shifting cultivation and its disadvantages? This shifting cultivation is known as the slash and burn agriculture, in which the farmers cleaning the land by filling the trees and burning them. After burning the ash and mix with the soil, the increase the fertilizing. When the fertilizing reduces, the cultivation start move to tie other place. The disadvantage of shifting cultivation are the it's called for the deforestation is it affected the ecosystem. Question number 4, what is plantation agriculture? In the plantation agriculture, a single crop is producing in the large plot of land, and it requires a large amount of capital labor. Question number 5, name the fabric crops and animals. The climate condition required for their growth. The fabric crops are jute cotton. The climate condition for cotton are high temperature, light rainfall, bright sunshine, black soil, and alluvium soil. The climate condition for jute are the first alluvium soil, high temperature, high heavy rainfall, humid climate. So then we read the give reasons. In India, agriculture is a primary activity because majority of pollution depending on agriculture. Question number 2, different crops are grow in different region because of the geographical and climatical condition. Okay, so this is the distinguish between the following: primary agriculture and tertiary activity. The primary activity are related to the land and water, which connected with the extraction and production of natural resources. Territory activities, territory activities provided the support to the primary sector and secondary sector through services, transport, communication, banking, insurance are the example of territorial activities. 2. Subsistence farming and intensive farming. Subsistence farming, it is the farming practicing to needs of the farmer family. And this is the last, intensive farming. It is the farming in which the farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Okay, so it is completed chapter, and this is the extra question. I not read in this chapter, I not read in this video, and you want this extra question. See this, you want this extra question, so please say me, so I make one video and send this all extra question. Okay, so bye friends, thanks for watching this video. You like geography, so like this video, and the next time I read chapter 5, industries. Okay, so this time bye friends.